Welcome to Dear English. This is a quiet space where we learn English slowly, gently, one sentence at a time. Today's video is a soft shadowing practice, like writing a letter to yourself. Hello, my friend. Today I want to share something gentle and honest. A thought that came to me on a quiet morning while I was drinking my coffee. It's simple, but maybe, just maybe, it's something you need to hear. You are enough, just as you are. Let's talk for a while. Like friends. No pressure. Just a soft conversation. Sometimes we wake up feeling heavy, not because of the world, but because of the voice inside our head. It whispers things like, you should be doing more. You should be better. You should be stronger. We scroll through social media. We see perfect photos, perfect bodies, perfect lives. And we wonder, am I falling behind? We compare, and comparison is a thief. It steals our joy, our peace, and our sense of self. But here's the truth. You don't need to be more to be valuable. You don't need to impress anyone to matter. You're not a project. You're a person. I want you to think about a child's laughter, or the way your pet greets you at the door, the sunlight coming through the window in the morning, the feeling of clean sheets at night. These things aren't big, but they are beautiful. And you? You are the same. You are already beautiful. In the way you exist, in the way you care, in the way you try. You don't have to shine all the time. Some days, just being is enough. We forget that breathing is an act of courage. Waking up is an act of strength. Showing up is a quiet kind of bravery. Maybe you're in a season of waiting. Waiting for answers. Waiting for healing. Waiting for change. You feel stuck, or invisible, or tired. But growth is quiet. Healing is not loud. Rest is not laziness. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be, even when it doesn't feel like it. You are still growing, still becoming, even when no one sees it. There is strength in softness. And you, my friend, are strong in ways you don't even realize. You are not only lovable when you succeed. You are not only worthy when you're productive. You are worthy now. Even on the days you cry. Even when you make mistakes. Even when you feel small. Please don't wait until you're better to love yourself. Start now. With the person you are today. If I could write you a letter, I'd say, Dear friend, I see you. I see your quiet efforts, your kind heart, your tired eyes. I see the way you keep going, even when it's hard. That is strength. That is courage. You don't have to earn your worth. You already have it. So today, be gentle with yourself. Speak to yourself like someone you love. You are enough. Not because of what you do. Not because of how you look. Not because of what others say. You are enough, just as you are. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. Let this message stay with you. Let it comfort you. Let it remind you, when the world feels loud, you are not alone. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are enough. And I'll see you again tomorrow.